What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got another video for you guys, and yes, my boyfriend is gonna do my voiceover. Y'all just stay tuned and subscribe, like this video, and let me know how you feel about my channel. Let me know what y'all want to see. All right, y'all know he funny.
Natural beat. she got one of my shirts, y'all. Shout out to my cousin. All right, first off, she's cleaning the face. I don't know what that shit is, but that shit looks soothing, though. Look at how to get out. Oh shit, look at how dolled up. All right, she got that 25. She got a fucking crayon. She's drawing her line. Okay, the eyebrows right. Bitches with no eyebrows. Y'all gotta get some hairspray or something, because y'all bitches be looking rough out here. Damn, look at my baby. Shit. Y'all bitches need to watch this. Shit, look at that. She all fucking glossy and shit. Alright. Now she fucking got a mean ass marker going across the fucking eyebrow. That shit like that shit they got in the hospital. Alright. The fuck? Ooh, baby. Ooh, why you scratching your face like that? Damn. Okay. She got a potato come across. Alright. That's that make believe. I seen that commercial. Damn. She look like mud. Alright, you got to go around. You got to do the shit like to watch your eyes. Watch your eyes. Don't be high when you doing this. Please don't. Alright, hold your lips like that when you're beating your face. That's what they call it, beating. She look like she 2 shades blacker. God, oh shit. Oh, look how she sprayed that shit like that Jericho. You got to come down the middle. Okay. Okay, now she got her eyes right there. You got to make sure you get them eyes be real serious for you bitches got them bags on your eyes and shit. Old saggies. All right. She got on the gold fucking mask right now. Okay. She got to get the drops in the middle of the forehead, lightly dabbing. Little tap. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, what that is. I don't know what the fuck that is. That shit look like butter. But we in damn, baby. Okay, back to where we going at. Shit, get the eyebrow, get on them eyes first. Gotta get the eyes first. That's what starts the foundation. Cause shit, some of y'all bitches skin be bumpy and shit. You can't hide them bumps. Old muffy bitches. All right. Okay, she got yellow mustard all the way around. Okay, brushing lightly brush. Okay, check yourself out. Okay, other eye. Give me that people's eyebrow. She got one good eye. Okay. Damn. Gotta get in the cracks. All right. Now you take a few minutes to get your shit right. Then you come in with the brush on the nose, down the side of your nostrils. Damn, that makeup go deep. Okay. Now you keep on going down the line right there. You got to get your lines and shit. You got to get that it blend, you know. All right. She got that goddamn half potato again coming down. Now she fucking with her nose. Got that thick ass brush. God damn. Brush it harder than a motherfucker, baby. Damn, slow down. This is a fucking tutorial. You excuse me. She'll be done in a second, y'all. Shit, okay. There we go. Now she got another brush. Come across the eyes. You got to make sure you keep your weave at an angle. You want to get the makeup in your weave. Yeah. She just shook her head. I know, baby. All right, she coming down the cheek. All right, she coming up on the other goddamn cheek. Now she talking. Oh, here go the lips. Oh, shit. You can color your goddamn lips. That's all. Okay. Little Tootsie Pop. Okay. Look at them lips. Okay, got a blue one. Oh, they ain't even blue. Damn. Look at that. Y'all could change your whole face within a 10-minute video. Look at that. Look at that shit. Look at the lips. Okay. Singing Cardi B right now. Don't worry about it. She got the eyebrows. Iconic. You got to put them bitches on like you doing a quilt. Okay. You got to get that glue. Okay. Got the mirror. Putting on the fucking shields. Okay. Got to make sure that shield on there. We got it. Okay, she tight. She tight. She tight. Okay. Got to look at it a couple times. Got to flick your eye like you got some in your eye. You do a little dance with it. Okay. Now she blowing kisses. She kiss. Okay, dance. All right, here go the other shade. We putting that motherfucker on. Holding. Look at that. You gotta make sure that bit even. Okay. Doll. Look at her. All right, here go to that goddamn brush again. Well, you can't brush too hard now. She gonna knock her lash off. She brushed too hard. Trust me, I done seen it come off. All right. Now she got more of this black shit on her lips. Like you goddamn going in the casket. You gonna be nice. Okay. There you go, the other blue little motherfucker right there. Coming back across that. Okay. She got something in the fucking glass box right here. It look good the way she talking about it. Oh, that's another fucking breast. Why be damn? Be dazzled. Okay, get them lips right. Pop them. Need some bubble gum. Okay. We got some other shit here. You get that right there. Hold your hand behind it so they won't see the label and shit. Rub that bitch softly. Blend in nicely. Get your crust out the fucking mouth, you know, when you wake up in the morning. All right. Okay. Fucking shiny ass lips. Damn. Okay. Whole new person. We still got more. This ain't it. This more shit. Okay. Got another fucking white box. Octagon box. Okay. She open that motherfucker up. She hold her lip to the side. She gangster, y'all. All right. Getting that nose with that thick ass brush. Batter her up. Okay. Look at that. She ain't going by them lashes now. Y'all see that now. Gotta wash the lashes. You don't want to lose your tops. Okay. Right on the eyebrow. You got to be particular when you're going on the eye crest. Got to get the eyebrows right. Okay, she brushing the fuck out of her face right there on the side, y'all. Make sure you don't got no boogers in your nose when you're doing videos, you know. Keep your nose. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that spray that just let yourself. Damn. God, okay. Okay, you see that hair there? That's what you call the goddamn. Okay, ain't she doing a hair tutorial? Shit. Getting that bitch in a bun. That's, look at that. You look like a whole new person out here. You know, you never know what you do with some makeup. You can make the shit yourself.
So, this is the end of the tutorial.
Talk to him.
That's all I got for you guys.
Diva. Like, yes, sir. You know you gotta take a pose at the end of this video. She gonna pose her. Oh shit, she got another fucking black one. Damn. All right, y'all. Yes, sir.
So this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, like, comment, subscribe. I know he off the chain.